3, non-stop service to Sydney. On behalf of United and our ground crew here in San Francisco. Sydney. On behalf of United and our ground crew here in San Francisco.
Finally, the captain understood that the aerodynamics were compromised, and they contacted the airline's network operations center to assist in the checklist and to contact Honolulu to inform the local control center of the incident. Captain Benham set the flaps to 1 and tension filled the cockpit. A sigh of relief swept over them when the flaps successfully engaged. Realized the success of the landing. After coming to a stop, Paul informed the captain that he could release the controls. At this moment, Captain Benham realized he had maintained a firm grip on the yoke with his left hand and held the throttle with his right hand for 40 minutes. After a thorough inspection by aircraft rescue and firefighting personnel, it was deemed safe to taxi the airplane to the gate. The 363 passengers, 3 pilots, and 12 flight attendants could deplane normally at the gate without any injuries.